Welcome back, all of you. Now, next part, limits, formula based limits. The simplest part in limits. Out of 100, 99 students always are very comfortable in this type of sums. Now, this is the formula, limit x into a, x raised to n minus a raised to n, x minus a equal to n, a raised to n minus 1, where n is any natural number. But you can apply the formula for integer or even rational or irrational number. So formula will hold for any real number also. Okay. So now these sums are in front of you and most of you are aware of all these things. You have done number of times and very comfortable. Last lecture I have explained to you L'Hopital rule. So L'Hopital rule will help you a lot doing this type of sums rapidly. So look, this is the direct solution. Direct solution. Okay, every time it will take 1-2 minutes. But now when you apply L'Hopital rule, so look, 7x raised to 6 constant 0 0 1, and now applying the value of limit 2, so directly you are getting this step 7 into 2 raised to 6, and your answer will come much more faster. Similarly here what happened? Look, this is the normal step. First you have to divide by x minus 4, then this is 4 raised to 5, 4 cube, and then you find you are sitting alone in the classroom. So again, L'Hopital rule will help you a lot doing the sum much more faster. Differentiate. So when you differentiate, it is 5x raised to 4. Rate of constant 0. Constant 0. 3x square. Now, applying the limit, or if one is smarter, he can directly write like this, 5 by 3 x square, and now you put the limit value, that is 4. 4 ka square 16 5 za 80. Answer is 80 by 3. You get answer much more faster. Now बहुत सारे बोलेंगे सर ये आता है हमको, क्या है इसमें खास क्या है? Now slowly I will increase the difficulty level, and then you will find कि even L'Hopital rule is not helping you faster here. So how to do the sums? So this type of sums, if you know the formula, you can directly apply the formula, or you can differentiate numerator denominator using L'Hopital rule and you get answer faster. No problem. But there are number of sums. I am not talking about the sums of JEE Main type or advanced. I am talking about the sums which are there in your textbook. There are number of sums in your textbook, and if you don't know the technique, it is not possible for you to solve the sum faster. So look. Now, the faster rule that you know is L'Hopital rule. Okay, so it is 12x raised to 11, 6x raised to 5. Now, applying the limit value, so that is 1. So answer is 12 by 6. Answer is 2. Now you get answer much more faster. But look, when limit is x tend to 1, whenever limit is x tend to 1 and this part become 1, तो ऐसा भी क्यों करने का? तो ऐसा भी क्यों करने का? So whenever limit is x tend to 1 or this particular part become 1 raised to something, this particular part become 1 raised to something, directly your answer is 12 by 6. तो ये सब करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Answer is directly 12 by 6. In one step you will get answer. So look, there are number of sums. Say now here if you apply L'Hopital rule, it will take time. But you find this part is becoming 1. So directly 8 by 4. The answer is 2. Look how fast you are getting the answer. So limit x tend to 1. There are 2-3 sums in textbook and which also came in exam. This type of sums. Look, here if you differentiate or use substitution method, the expression become very, very complicated. But when you apply the limit, this part is becoming 1. So whenever the part is becoming 1, your answer depend only on the power. So it is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So answer is minus 1 by 6. So you get answer in one step directly. So these are the tricks. Now higher level of sums from your textbook. This type of sum. Now, even if you take up a hospital rule, it will take time. One more extra step. But now you got a concept. So, x 10 to 1. So, each part is becoming 1. So, your answer depends only on the power. So, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 n. Answer is n plus 1 by 2. So, one step you will get the answer. Now, there is one more sum in your textbook. This type of sum. Again, if you differentiate, it will take long time. But now you know the concept. This is becoming 1. So 1, 3, 5, dot, 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 up to n terms. Now, extraordinary part I have taught number of times. All these things are going on social media and WhatsApp. Vedic mathematics. Look, so answer is n square. Because sum of consecutive odd numbers 1 to n terms is always n square. So you will get answer in one step. Okay, so these are the simple sums which make even this type of sums faster and fastest. Keep on watching. Solutions of very, very difficult sums will come soon on your fingertips. Answer. Bye, all of you. Bye.